AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. A profound statement by Karim R. Lakhani, a Harvard Business School professor. This isn't a tale of man versus machine, but rather an exploration of how man and machine can harmoniously coexist and prosper. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't a futuristic concept anymore. It's here, and it's changing the way we live, work, and interact. It isn't about replacing us, but rather it serves as a tool that amplifies our potential. It makes us more efficient, more insightful. While AI can compute at lightning speeds, it lacks our unique human touch, creativity, emotions, and nuanced understanding. Now picture a world where we combine our human genius with the power of AI. The result? An unparalleled fusion of efficiency, innovation, and potential. In the vast ocean of evolution, the adaptable not only survive, but thrive. In our modern world, this means embracing tools like AI. Those who harness its potential have the wind in their sails, while others might find themselves adrift. Businesses are realizing this fact. Those integrating AI are climbing to the peaks of success, casting long shadows over those yet to adapt. But it's not just about business, it's about education. It's about societal evolution. As AI becomes a cornerstone across sectors, a chasm emerges between those who are AI literate and the uninitiated. This divide has implications that go beyond careers and opportunities. It affects societal standing. But with this innovation comes responsibility. As sectors transform, we must ponder, how do we support those initially left behind in this AI revolution? The words of Lakhani aren't just a prediction, they're a call to action. As we stand at the cusp of an AI-driven era, it is essential to move forward with understanding, adaptability, and inclusivity. And so, we return to the profound words of Karim R. Lakhani. AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI.